Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into top 8 must-have gadgets and accessories for every lifestyle. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 8. Car seat cushion. This artificial suede universal car seat cushion is perfect for those who want to add a touch of luxury and comfort to their car interior. Made of high-quality artificial suede and leather, it is compatible with most car models thanks to its universal size. The cushion offers excellent support and style for 2 front seats, and it's designed to fit perfectly across seasons. Weighing only 1.5 kilograms, with dimensions of 53 centimeters in length, 30 centimeters in width, and 3 centimeters in height, it's both lightweight and durable. Easy to install and clean, this car seat cushion not only elevates your car's interior aesthetic, but also ensures that your ride is as comfortable as possible. Number 7. 70mm Dashcam. This 4K dashcam is the ultimate car DVR that combines functionality with exceptional image quality. Equipped with a Sony IMX415 sensor and a 7-layer glass lens, it delivers crisp, vivid visuals at 3840 by 2160p resolution. With built-in GPS, the dashcam tracks real-time trip data such as speed and coordinates, making it a reliable companion on the road. The advanced driver assistance systems alert you to potential safety risks, while the 24-hour parking surveillance keeps your vehicle secure even when unattended. Its smart time-lapse recording feature conserves storage without compromising footage quality. With the 70My app, you can download and share recordings effortlessly. For enhanced performance, pair it with the 70My hardwire kit for uninterrupted monitoring. Number 6. Retekess TR604 Radio. This portable AM/FM radio is a perfect blend of classic design and modern functionality. Designed with seniors in mind, it features a large dial-scale display for easy frequency selection and a 3.5-inch speaker that delivers clear, loud audio. The telescopic antenna ensures optimal reception, while the tuning knob makes program selection effortless, even for those with low vision. Its dual power supply options, AC and DC, allow for flexible usage indoors or outdoors. Complete with a sturdy handle, this radio is ideal for picnics, hikes, or relaxing at home. Whether you're reminiscing with classic hits or enjoying news broadcasts, the Retekess TR604 guarantees a joyful listening experience. Number 5. Voltage Detector Pen. This non-contact voltage tester is an essential tool for electricians and DIY enthusiasts. Compact and easy to use, it detects voltage presence without any physical contact, ensuring user safety. It features smart functionality to identify circuit breaks and alert users to potential issues. With its portable design and robust build, it's a reliable addition to any toolkit. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or diagnosing electrical problems, this tool offers peace of mind and precision. Number 4. Thermal Face Mask. This versatile thermal face bandana mask is designed for those who love outdoor activities in colder seasons. Made from high-quality spandex, it offers excellent elasticity, comfort, and durability. The innovative air hole design on the nose ensures unrestricted breathing during intense activities like cycling, skiing, and hiking. Lightweight and breathable, it provides UV protection while keeping you warm in chilly conditions. Its symmetrical line textures and stylish design make it a fashionable and functional accessory for any adventure. Number 3. Mifa Bluetooth Speaker. The Mifa A10 Plus portable Bluetooth speaker is a powerhouse of sound and durability. Featuring 360-degree stereo sound with a robust 20-watt output, it creates an immersive listening experience. Its IPX7 waterproof rating makes it perfect for pool parties and outdoor adventures. With Bluetooth 5.0 technology, it offers a stable connection with low latency. Supporting multiple playback formats, this speaker delivers versatility and convenience. Boasting up to 24 hours of playtime, it's an excellent choice for long outings or gatherings. Number 2. Car Battery Charger. This 12-volt 24V full automatic battery charger is a game changer for maintaining lead-acid batteries. Its microprocessor-controlled charging ensures that batteries are never overcharged. Compatible with various types, including AGM, gel, and wet batteries, it offers diverse charging modes tailored to specific needs. The intelligent LCD display provides real-time data on voltage, current, and temperature, making battery maintenance simple and efficient. With advanced safety features like short circuit and overheat protection, this charger ensures your batteries are in optimal condition. Number 1. Battery Tester. The digital battery tester is a handy tool for assessing the capacity of various batteries, including A, AAA, CD, 9 volts, and 1.5 volts button cells. Crafted from durable ABS material, it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry anywhere. Its upgraded design eliminates the need for a button cell, enhancing user convenience. The LCD display provides clear, accurate readings, helping you identify battery life and capacity at a glance. Whether for household use or professional purposes, this tool simplifies battery management. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.